All right, hey guys, this is Trish, the founder of Wild Haven, and we're just bringing a special, extra special message to you today. I have my friend Jen here, and she is the founder of Fresh Journey. She loves hiking. She has a passion for hiking, but also helping people. And she has created this workshop, an 8-week workshop that aligns so well with our purposes and our mission and our vision at Wild Haven and also our Hiking to Heal offers. So I'm just going to let Jen introduce herself. She's an amazing person. I've been working with her and she's been working with us. If you've been to any of the retreats, you already know her, you love her. And so I'm just going to let her introduce herself and introduce this great hiking opportunity for you guys as we move forward in this period of transition. While I kind of step back, she steps forward, and just appreciate all the teamwork, Jen, and all this passion and compassion that you bring to this. So I'll let you take it away.
All right, thank you. Okay, so my name is Jennifer Neufeld, and I am an RN, and I am also a Revelation Wellness instructor and a biblical lay pastoral counselor, I believe is what they told me when I graduated from my PEP training. And so I have created a 6-chapter workbook, and it's all about moving through grief and figuring out where you landed, where this new world is, and when you enter grief, you don't know which way's up and which way's out. So, and we all want out of grief. And so, using this workbook, it'll be able to give you a landing place. It'll be able to help you determine where you're at in your grief cycle. And unfortunately, I can't tell you that you're going to ever end this process, because really grief never ends. It changes and you can adapt to a new normal, but our losses don't go away, and we can't make the world go back to the way it was. And that's the kind of grief that I'm talking about. Yes, it includes death, but there's also just significant life changes, family changes, moving, things that are hard, anything that you really have attached to that is a significant loss, you're going to have to grieve. And I never learned that. I don't know if you did, but it really caught me by surprise and kind of messed me up for a bit. So I've done quite a bit of counseling and quite a bit of hiking. So together they have helped me tremendously. And so the curriculum is called Hiking to Explore Grief. And we take 6 chapters, like I said, but it takes about 8 weeks because you've got the intro and the closing and all the good stuff in between. So what we do is we're going to focus on your body, your mind, and your spirit. And we're going to meet Sundays at 12 o'clock on the Pacific time. That would be 3 your time on the East Coast. And we're going to be able to go through the workbook together, discuss that. Then on Thursdays, I have a bonus for you. We're going to do self-care on the mat, and that is a spiritual practice that's going to embody some yoga, Pilates kind of things. And then it will all wrap up with a wonderful hike that you can you'll learn how to set where you want to go and who you want to go with and all those sorts of things as we go through the training. But we're looking at July 26th as being kind of our celebration day, where you get to go out and have yourself a lovely hike. And remember, it doesn't have to be hard to be beautiful and to be celebratory. This is really for anybody. I like to say, if you can spend the day at a major theme park, then you can go anywhere we're going to go. So most of us can do that. We're talking like a 2 to 5 mile hike, maybe a little more if you really, really want to spend the day out there. But it's going to be July. It's going to be hot. So I'm thinking the morning sounds good. So we'll have this finale hike, and we'll get to share our pictures and celebrate with one another, and then come back together one more time. If you don't get to be with somebody. I want you to be able to share about your experience. So I want you to be able to come back together, and hopefully some of you can get together. You'll be in close enough areas that that you'll be able to celebrate with each other.
I'm
Hmm.
just gonna add here. So I feel like there's a lot of with all these transitions that I'm going through personally. I'm gonna take the opportunity. I've already signed up. I've already paid.
Thanks.
So, because I think it applies to me. I don't know many people that I work with that this wouldn't apply to. And then I'm just looking forward to celebrating with others. So if you are on the East Coast and you feel like you want to make a trip to the Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina in Ashe County, we've got several places to go hiking, and we can kind of decide together if we want to do that as well. So I want to offer that. I want to make sure that that's out there because I'm looking forward to celebrating because by July 1st, we ought to be moved in, and hopefully by July 26th, we'll be somewhat settled in.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
yeah, we're looking I'm looking at the Eastern Sierras. So I went hiking there maybe a year and a half ago, and I said I really 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 want to go back. So we'll see if anybody wants to join me. So yeah,
I'm out
so
there.
I know. So it is a $40 donation for enrolling in the Hiking to Heal. And then anything above and beyond that will go to the Wild Haven Sanctuary as soon as they get up and running. And so we can get others involved and healing in this process.
Yeah.
What else?
I think you said it. I can't think of anything, and we'll put details with the video. And of course, you know, she is very organized and already has some email sequences that she'll send out once you sign up. So don't feel like she's great at guiding. So I don't think there's anything that I can add. So
Awesome. All right. Well, I can't wait to meet you all, and we'll be able to walk together through whatever season of life you're in, and move the way God's made us to move.
exactly, moving towards hope and healing. That's right. All right. Take
All
care,
right.
guys.
Take
Thank
care.
you. We'll see you soon.